cheese and spinach. Just normal cheese and then cheese and sesame.
Cheese and spinach for me. What are these?
They are pastries.
Oh! Oh my god!
Actually, you have to sit beside it. That's so sweet.
I'm such a potato. I thought we get petrol and then we can pick up a mayonnaise.
Can I pop this in your hand? Yeah, of course.
Oh man.
Hey man.
Hi!
But like, it's interesting and like it's useful as well, but not really.
They have a site thing online. I think they should have a Facebook group. I think they have a website as well.
We finally come to the 1000 steps and we can't even do the steps anymore. Amanda's gonna die.
I did 0 steps.
I confess, I did 0 steps. 0 out of 1000. Oh, the rain stopped. Guys, we just soldier on and then...
Yeah, you want it? I'll do it, yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Amanda, do you want to be on my vlog?
Sure.
Do you want like that?
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Guys, the rain stopped. Let's go. Let's go. Is it bad if it hails? Because it's hailing.
Are you guys okay with that? I'm okay with it. I'm not. No? Okay.
You can feel the Ahmed.
Hello, Mr. Kookaburra. How are you today? Goody goody? I know it might feel a bit intimidating with so many cameras in your face, but you got to get loose to this life. You're famous now.
We're now officially starting the 1000 steps. We got up the hill. This is the first step.
This is the last of them. 999, 999, 1,000. We're here. So this is like water, like sweat through the scarf. This is so interesting. I have never seen that before. It looks like frost. It's so funny. Wow. Yeah. It's all my brain juices coming out. I feel like you're shaking now. It's getting cold. Oh, it is. It's like what we think we're doing, what we're actually doing. Yeah, you can walk at home, okay? Do not walk at the Coca-Cola truck. You can walk at home. This is so hard. They're coming. Where are you? Where are you? That's what Samia asked just before. They're coming.
Here with the girls. Drum roll. Ta-da! Yum.
Oh, there's even cabbage inside.
We're just gonna eat now.
Why?
Hi everybody, this is an update a few hours later from the 1000 steps trip that we went on. The girls have now all parted and we're back. We went to our mosque first. We decided to go by car because there were only 5 of us anyway, so we didn't use the bus that we had brought last night, and now we're taking the bus back.